talking about weather.
Hi, Jake. How's the weather there?
Hey, Emma, it's raining again.
Oh no. Is it heavy?
Yes, it's pouring, streets are wet.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, but the wind is strong.
That sounds awful. Is it cold too?
Yes, it's freezing, I need a jacket.
Here, it's sunny and warm.
Lucky you, I miss sunny days.
How's the forecast for tomorrow?
More rain, I think.
That's frustrating. How do you get around?
I take the bus, it's slow in rain.
Do you have to go out?
Yes, I have errands to run.
Be careful. Wet roads are slippery.
Thanks, I'll try to stay safe.
Let's trade places. I'll take your rain.
Deal, I could use some sun.
Weather can be so annoying.
True, but rain has its charm too.
Like what?
It's peaceful to hear it at night.
Okay, that's true. It can be relaxing.
Exactly, but I still want the sun.
Hang in there, Jake. The rain will pass.
Thanks, Emma, I hope so too. Moving to a new city. So, why are you moving to a new city?
It's for work. I got a great opportunity.
That's exciting. How do you feel about it?
I feel both excited and nervous.
What excites you the most?
Exploring new places and meeting new people.
What are you nervous about?
Adjusting to a new routine and being in a new environment.
Have you found a place to stay?
Yes, I found a nice apartment in a good area.
Do you know anyone in the city?
Not yet, but I'm hoping to make friends quickly.
How are you preparing for the move?
I'm packing, researching the city, and organizing my finances.
Are you taking everything with you?
No, just the essentials. I'll buy the rest there.
How will you get around the city?
I use public transport and maybe walk a lot.
What's the first thing you'll do when you arrive?
Unpack and explore the neighborhood.
Do you have any plans to make friends?
Yes, I'll join events and meetups.
What do you think will be the hardest part?
Probably being away from family and starting over.
How are you staying in touch with them?
Regular calls, video chats, and visits when possible.
What are you most excited to try in the new city?
The food, events, and cultural experiences.
Are you worried about anything?
Just adjusting to the pace of the new city.
How are you budgeting for the move?
I saved up and planned for all the major expenses.
What's your plan if things don't go well?
I'll reassess and make adjustments.
How long do you plan to stay?
It depends. If I like it, maybe long term.
Are you ready for the move?
I think so. There's always more to do though.
How do you feel about starting fresh?
It's exciting but also a bit overwhelming.
What do you hope to gain from this move?
New experiences, personal growth, and better opportunities.
Do you think this move will change you?
Definitely. Moving always teaches you something.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, I hope so too.
I work in a restaurant.
So, where do you work?
I work in a restaurant.
Oh, that's cool. What do you do there?
I'm a server. I take orders and serve food.
That sounds busy. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. It can be stressful, though.
What's the best part of your job?
Meeting people. I enjoy talking to customers.
And the hardest part?
Dealing with rude customers or rush hours.
I can imagine. How long have you worked there?
About a year now.
Do you plan to stay long term?
Maybe. I'm thinking about my options.
What's the restaurant like?
It's busy, but the team is great.
Do you like the food there?
Yes, the food is really good.
Do you get free meals?
Sometimes, yes, that's a nice perk.
What's a typical day like for you?
To set up tables, take orders, serve food, and clean up.
Sounds like hard work. Do you get tips?
Yes, tips make a big difference.
Are the hours flexible?
Sometimes, it depends on the schedule.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, weekends are the busiest.
How do you handle rush hours?
I stay calm and work fast.
Do you ever deal with complaints?
Yes, but I try to fix problems quickly.
Have you made friends with your co-workers?
Yes, we get along well.
Do you want to move up in the restaurant?
Maybe I'd like to learn more about management.
Do you enjoy working with food?
Yes, it's fun to see how dishes are made.
Do you think the job has taught you anything?
Definitely, I've learned patience and teamwork.
Would you recommend working in a restaurant?
Yes, if you're ready for hard work.
What's your favorite thing about the job?
Making customers happy.
That's great. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, I'll do my best.
Do you ever get tired from the job?
Yes, it can be exhausting after long shifts.
How do you stay motivated?
I focus on the tips and positive customer feedback.
Do you deal with a lot of teamwork?
Yes, we all have to work together during busy times.
Do you ever have funny moments at work?
Yes, sometimes customers say or do hilarious things.
Do you learn about food while working?
Yes, I've learned a lot about ingredients and cooking.
Do you see yourself working in the food industry long term?
Maybe, if I can grow into a better position.
What's one thing you'd change about your job?
I'd like more consistent hours or shorter shifts.
Do you get a lot of regular customers?
Yes, and it's nice to see familiar faces.
What's one skill you've improved while working there?
Definitely my communication skills. I hope you've liked the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends.